Welcome, green thumbs. Ever wondered about the secrets behind lush lupin gardens? Today we're diving into the essentials of growing these beauties. Are lupines easy to grow? Where do they thrive best? Stick around to unlock the mysteries and transform your garden into a lupin paradise. Let's get growing. Section 1. Understanding lupines. Are lupines easy to grow? Lupines are renowned for their stunning blossoms, but are they a breeze to cultivate? The short answer, yes. Lupines are generally easy to grow, making them a perfect choice for both novice and seasoned gardeners. Stick with us to uncover the simplicity behind nurturing these beautiful plants. Where do lupines grow best? Now, let's explore the ideal spots for lupines to thrive. These beauties favor well-drained soil and ample sunlight. Whether you have a sunny garden bed or a cozy corner on your balcony, we'll guide you on where lupines flourish best, ensuring your garden becomes a haven for these vibrant blooms. As we've established the ease of growing lupines and where they love to call home, let's move on to Section 2, where we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of starting your lupin garden. Stay tuned, green thumbs. Section 2, starting your lupin garden. How do you start lupins to grow? So how do you kickstart the lupin magic in your garden? It all begins with the right seeds or seedlings. In this segment, we'll guide you through the process of planting lupines, from choosing the right variety to the depth and spacing needed for optimal growth. Get your gardening gloves ready. Time frame for lupins to flower. Patience is key when cultivating lupines. We'll walk you through the timeline from planting to the breathtaking moment when those first blooms burst forth. Understanding the expected time frame ensures you're not only a gardener, but a lupin maestro. Pro tips and common queries. Before you embark on your lupin journey, we have some expert tips to share. Learn the tricks of the trade, and we'll address common questions that may arise during the cultivation process. By the end of this section, you'll be armed with the knowledge needed for lupin success. Now that you've got the scoop on starting your lupin garden, let's delve into Section 3, where we'll share pro tips and tackle common queries. Stay with us to elevate your lupin growing game. Section 3, Pro Tips and Common Queries. Insights into the ease of growing lupines. Now that you're on your lupin growing journey, let's enhance your understanding. We'll share insights into the ease of growing these blooms, offering you a deeper connection with your lupin plants. Get ready to elevate your gardening expertise. Duration for lupins to bloom. While patience is crucial, understanding the duration for lupins to bloom adds another layer to your gardening knowledge. We'll delve into the factors influencing bloom time, helping you anticipate and celebrate the gorgeous blossoms. Additional considerations for successful lupin cultivation. Successful lupin cultivation goes beyond planting and waiting. We'll provide additional considerations such as proper maintenance, watering tips, and potential challenges you might face. Equip yourself with the tools for a thriving lupin garden. Conclusion. Congratulations, green thumbs. You've completed our comprehensive guide on growing lupins. From understanding their ease of growth to starting your garden and mastering pro tips, you're now well equipped for a vibrant lupin-filled paradise. Keep nurturing those blooms and happy gardening. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening insights. Have questions or want to share your lupin success stories? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening.